Hi, this is S. Prashant from Computer Science Engineering Department of 3rd year. Today I am going to do the first experiment of case 2 lab, that is use case diagram. First, let us know what is use case diagram. A use case diagram is a sequence of transaction in which each transaction is invoked from outside the system, that is actors, and simply we can say interaction between the user and the actor with the system surroundings. The use case diagrams the graph of actors, a set of use cases enclosed by system boundaries, communication association, and generalization among the use cases. The symbols used in the use case diagram are this use case name, that is oval, an actor as it can be a customer or anything it's related to the application. Three relationships exist in the use case diagram. They are communication, uses, and extents. Communication is between the actor and the use case, shown by connecting the actor symbol in the use case symbol with the solid path. And uses is a use relationship between the use cases, which shows a generalization arrow. And extents is one use case use same one use case derives another use case but does better more, like subclasses. This is one example of use case. Here the relationship between the client and the operator. There is a help desk which we can make a call, take the call, research, and we can return the call by using. There can be n number of actors. Now my aim is to draw a use case diagram for online course registration system. My description is to provide a high level view of what the system does and identifying the users actors of the system and determining the areas need human and use case extend beyond the pictorial diagrams. In fact, text based use case description are often used to supplement diagrams, and I have already explained what is actor. These are, and here the main is the system boundary. The scope of a system boundary uh, are placed inside the system boundaries. The use cases are placed in the system boundaries. And association generalization include. Now there is algorithm which has a step. First define, we have to define the actors like user, and the particular database is an administration or admin, and we have to determine the events are necessary for developing a system and represent the communication relationship of an actor in the system by connecting actor symbol to the use case with a solid path, then represent uses and extents, etc. And finally use necessary for developing your application. My application here is for developing your system. Now this is my use case diagram. First, the actor is student administrator, then professor database, then student professor administrator. This I have separated and drawn and to zoom. This is my both the thing. The relationship between the professor and the database is to view the subjects, count students, and here include and extents I have used, and database gives the manage database, manage availability, make bill, etc. And student and administrator relation to pay fees, code to select the course, payable, check availability of subjects, and professor and the database about their own salary, subject code, department, subject name, credits, kind of thing. Thank you.